Okay, my name is Lucinda Taylor. I'm with Team 4. I'm here with Brianne Wilson and Linda Richard. And this is my project. I started talking about project-based learning. And so what I did was kind of did mine over the task. This is encompassed to help the teachers as well as the students. I did a sample project in there. So I just kind of like want to go over some basic things for the learning objectives. It would be, to show that it teaches you, it's going to cover your writing aspect, your social studies aspect, teaching students how to basically conduct a research and work in collaborative grouping. So this is my learning task right here. The first one was just give you an overview of authentic learning activities that you can do with the students. And so here, these are the activities like implementing the learning task, and it has like 6 steps to it. I'm not gonna read all of it because it's there. And this is the object. The students will complete their project. They will be able to use text features effectively, conduct a survey, interpret the results, and use technology to redesign a section of a handbook. That's the one I gave, originally put in for the teacher to kind of work with the students with. I can't see the way the arrow over. And then it goes about, there we go. So that's your introduction. It talks about just selecting a project. And then you have an essential question that, you go all the way down. The question will tell you how to begin your research. Then they research and they begin to write on the topic area that you selected. And mine was like a handbook. Now the products was something that was interesting because you can do it from a student handbook, you like magazines, and you let them compare and contrast things of that nature. And then a presentation, then they can choose a poster, a video, things like that to present. And then you have an audience, you get feedback from it could be the principal, it could be their classmates, their teammates, whomever. So then I have like different media tools they can use to implement this. And I just had a list of things that you can use to help facilitate your projects in like a little brief definition of it. And an example of the handbook project. And then it's several steps within that. And the last but not least, I gave my credit to where you can find this information. So this concludes my presentation, and I would like to get any feedback.
Lucinda, I really liked it. I especially liked your choice of using the slides in that first section. That was something I struggled with, was finding out how to make those things, the list items on the side to where there weren't like 50 of them. So I really like that you put the information in the slides so that it kept the number of the lessons down so it wasn't overwhelming for people. I really liked it. I do have a question about your objectives. Are the objectives for the lesson, it's in this learning environment, or are they for the project-based lessons?
It's for the learning environment. Basically, sometimes people want to use technology is not being used as often in the classroom it should be. Most times people use to show a video, but not really to teach a lesson. Because I've learned this particular project, I like this a lot. And so it's the ease of use for me that I can just kind of like put this together and even do a subject, a content, a strategy. I can use this in order to show the kids. You lose their focus after 5 or 10 minutes. So this is quick and it's easy, it's to the point, and it's not another PowerPoint presentation.
Yeah, I liked it. I thought it was really well done. Thanks.
All right, thank you.
I agree as well. I like the choice of slides and I like the flow of the information as well. So good job.
All right. So that is it. We're going to wrap it up. Thank you, ladies, for your input. And I love your feedback because it always makes me grow better.
Thank you.
All right.